Hello, hello. It will be take a time that we having the moment of the replacia and the mixture of the chemistry. It will be time to having the body of the financial. Today starting a lecture of APM sir. It will a physical chemistry having now and it a great chance to conduct this study having it will we can having Ozrich and the can to having their non Badal Yadav. Okay, it will be a chance to develop things which are the molarity having the cause of the mixture of acetone and chloroform. You also know the positive is equal to minimum and negative is equal to maximum in the acetone and chloroform and maximum boiling as it drop at the specific composition. It will be happening and it will be takes a time lot of as per Henry law, kh is equal to px where p is the partial pressure, x is the form of mole fraction of the gas and kh is the Henry law constant. If the concentration of N2 gas in the water at constant pressure increases quadrately, how will the value of kh change? And other is there should be most and most repeated question in the JEE and the JEE advanced and also the class 12 board examination. It will be happen due to the conceptual theory of the NCRT and it also means to advanced level and also it is drawn from the basic to advanced and once upon a time it will be showing this the very hereditary movement when these exams these graphs are most asking there should be eight 80 versus T, zero order graph. It is known as the zero order graph. A naught A minus AT is equal to KT. AT is equal to A naught minus KT. Therefore, Y is equal to C minus MX का ग्राफ ही बन जाएगा. And so their slope is minus and greater than. Okay. And AT having the A naught upon T and their rate is constant and another replication replace is to be r is equal to k a naught r is equal to k constant r जो है k constant r versus 80 r is equal to slope of the graph it will be take a very serious time and other question is what is the order according to base of the question given C2H6 C2H6 plus 3H2O this reaction is indicated at the constant temperature and the volume. The table below shows the partial pressure Pc to H6 observed for the above reaction at the times and other is P2 Pc to H6 in mm millimeter of mercury and therefore is a 0 T by 1 by 2 is to 100 minutes and therefore the 100 is equal to T by 1 2. Therefore the 800 is equal to 50% and 400 is equal to 20% and 200 is equal to 50%. How possible? Therefore the one is correct. And also ask the question what is the order of the reaction justify with reason. There is one. Another calculate the rate constant of the reaction. Therefore the rate constant is 0.693 by 100. What is the ratio of the time required for the completion 50% of the reaction to get the 75% of the reaction? It should be T50. We're going to calculate the T50 0.693 upon K. This is the first equation and there should be T75 A not 80 that is 125 and also find the KT and also KT75 it will be the K is equal to time inverse. There should be it happen and long as long possible.